Let's talk about how to be truly confident without having to fake in it. I went from being someone with low confidence to having the guts to leave an unfulfilling six-figure corporate job to live life on my own terms. Hi, my name is Hamzah Salim and I help ambitious people live the life they want through self-mastery. So essentially there are 3 parts on becoming truly confident. I call them the 3 A's: awareness, adjustment, and action. Now let's cover awareness first. We have to recognize the difference between fake confidence and true confidence. Fake confidence is attached solely to external circumstances like money, power, status, and fame. Where on the other hand, true confidence comes from the inside. It's more secure, it's more grounded and more sustainable. Now the reason why it's important to distinguish between those two is because when you ask most people what confidence looks like, they have this notion, this archetype of a very loud, extroverted, over-the-top, slightly bragging person. But that's not accurate at all. Because if I look back on my own personal experience, especially in corporate for example, I've seen so many guys that appear to be very confident, but when I interacted with them or had a more intimate talk with them, they revealed a lot of insecurities and they were masking it with their fake confidence, this over-the-top, this loud, this archetype that I described before. Now, the point that I'm making here is that don't get fooled by people that base their confidence solely on external things like achievements. Because truly confident people are secure within themselves. Their self-worth is not attached to their achievement. True confidence is when you are secure within yourself regardless of circumstances. So once we understand the crucial difference between fake and real confidence, the next step on becoming truly confident is clarity. Nothing breeds more confidence than clarity. Because once you get clear on what you want in life and how it exactly should look like, your confidence will skyrocket. The truth is this: most people don't know what they want. And it's very hard to stop someone who knows what he wants and has direction and clarity. So pick a goal, define your lifestyle, define what you want to achieve in your life, how you want to live. The second part is adjustment. Once I knew what I roughly wanted in my life, I knew I had to change. I had to change my identity because our identity determines our behaviors. And I'm not talking about the misleading advice of faking it till you make it. I ask myself, what traits does a truly confident person have? And then I deeply reflected on my current character, my current identity, and incorporated those traits in my new character. Because I truly believe every lasting change has to do with your identity. You have to craft a new identity. You have to adjust your current character. So ask yourself, which traits do you want to incorporate to your identity? This is the most powerful way to become truly confident. Which leads me to the third part on becoming truly confident, and that is action. First, you get clear on what you really want in life, and that alone should give you a lot of confidence. Second, you get clear on the character that you need to build up. And third is getting outside of your comfort zone and taking action. Simply put, you just do the things that you know you need to do. And the more you can do this, you'll gain momentum. And once you gain momentum, you'll develop unshakable confidence that is deep, that is secure and grounded. Now at this point of the video, I've given you some powerful steps that you can take to become truly confident and sustain it long term without having to fake something. But the reality is this: even confident people fall into traps like procrastination. And for that, I put together a very tactical step-by-step video on how you can beat procrastination. Because the truth is this: procrastination affects your confidence and your ability to achieve your goals. So you definitely want to watch this video next. As always guys, thank you for watching and I see you in the next video.